Hello everyone, my name is Parag Jain and we founded our firm Design Affairs along with my brother Mr. Anurag Jain. In our initial days, we started with multiple kind of projects, whatever came our way. That's how it happens with the beginners. But yes, we were able to satisfy our customers through the basic thing was to work according to the space, to justify the requirements, to work within the budget of the customer. Now we are working retail for office interiors, for residential also, for commercial buildings, including the civil part and the interiors as well. We recently designed one office who are into cosmetics and fashion industry. They have a lot of buyers coming from Pan India. As their product speaks, that flamboyance is required in their product. So, but they had a display center also and they had an office also. So the office had to be a reflection of their business, their lifestyle, the product they're selling. So we have created an environment which is like a wholesome kind of thing, where the office gels with the display and the display gels with the office. So the usage of metals was also like this. It was contemporary, it was seamless. We used a lot of natural things also. At the same time, it was demanded to be exotic in looks. The flamboyance also had to be reflected. The usage of metal, we generally try that it should not overpower the product actually. It should not overpower the entire environment. It should not overpower the space. It should pretty well gel with the whole environment. And the basic, the focus should be on the product display rather than the material display. And the more the natural environment is, the better the overall the ambience becomes. That is how we relate our products display to the materials. To make it more energy efficient, to make it more less consumption of energy, like we are using like DGU glasses, allowing more daylighting to come inside, which will prevent the usage of too much of lighting. The DGU glasses will prevent less usage of AC or lesser tonnage of AC. Then yes, the viewing of greenscape, that's very important. That we try to incorporate in many of the spaces through, because the green, the planters, the creepers, they always add to your comfort of the eyes, comfort of the heart. When we design offices, it's very hard to find a daylight. So luckily the site was having the glass on entire two sides, and we did not close even a single glass. So that was our achievement, I would say. We were able to filter in all the daylighting in each and every corner of the office and make it somewhat energy efficient. We all, as a human, we have an inbuilt tendency to relate ourselves the best with the natural products like wood, veneer, anything natural which is there, the customer's comfort level automatically increases. So, because the more the louder environment is, it's good for some of the products, but most of the products gel very well with the natural materials. So while creating the experience center for Duro, like this being a natural product, so a customer had to feel that yes, the usage of a natural product will always be good for him. So the focus was on the creating such an ambience, such an aura that you highlight a natural product in its true beauty. The selection of veneers, the variety of veneers is huge. So we created and segmented the two parts. Like one was the selection part, and for the family, like we displayed the polished samples in the initial phase so that a customer is able to make up the mind what shades to go for, and then go to the next segment to select the actual bigger pieces. So the usage of natural products, like we use that cut pieces of actual wood. We scattered a few elements which were quite related to the natural environment where it comes from. Wherever we have used veneers, that has given a huge impetus to the entire environment. This has always been the highlight of our the entire project. I believe the satisfaction levels were very good with the clients, because end of the day we were able to justify their the product they were dealing in and the environment they were wanting. So we fused some colored elements also in with the natural elements, so as to create that kind of excitement, to create that kind of the upbeat feeling that was required in their business.